When writing a research paper, you need a reliable database to help you find good primary sources. Today, I'll be exploring Project MUSE. When you log in with your URI credentials, the main page you're directed to looks like this, with a basic search bar at the top. Further down the page, there's some recent additions to Project MUSE's collections, some news about their hosts and their collections, and Project MUSE's mission statement. Project MUSE's main focus is to provide full-text scholarly journals from leading universities and scholarly societies to the academic and scholarly community. This database was designed by the academic community for the academic community. On their About Us page, it says Project MUSE has over 700 journals from 125 publishers and offers nearly 70,000 books from more than 140 presses. It is widely trusted and compliant with both US and international accessibility standards. Now let's try a search on Project MUSE. I'm looking to write a paper about how Frances Hodgson Burnett uses colonialism as a theme in her children's novels, The Secret Garden and A Little Princess. The setup here looks pretty basic, but there are two ways to get to the advanced search display. First, we can click on Browse to the left of the search bar here. Now, find Menu in the upper right corner, and use that to get to Advanced Search at the top of the drop-down menu. The advanced search options are over here to the left. Let's go back to the home page for a moment. Another way to get to advanced search is to simply start your search with one keyword in the home page search bar. I'll try that now with Frances Hodgson Burnett. This brings us to our initial search results, and advanced search options here again are right on the left. Now luckily right off the bat I see something that matches my search. I can click on the article, and scrolling down a bit, I see that the sources here match the two novels I'm interested in writing about. Now I'm going to continue my search, but since this is totally something I'll want to come back to and view later, I'll save it to my MUSE library by clicking Save in this bar right here. I can go to my MUSE library at any time to see what I've saved. Another neat thing about Project MUSE is that you never have to worry about losing sources, because once content goes online here, it stays online permanently. Now when I go back to my initial search, I see that it yielded 879 results. I definitely want to narrow this, so I can use more search terms and Boolean operators to help me out. The Boolean operators are listed to the right of these little search bars here in a drop-down menu. The ones available on Project MUSE are AND, a tool used for narrowing results, NONE, a tool used for negating results, and OR, which broadens results. I want to narrow my results today, so I'll primarily be using the Boolean operator AND. I'll add the name of one novel, A Little Princess, add a field, and type in the other, The Secret Garden. We see here that my results were narrowed to 304. I still want to be sure that some of my results involve the theme of colonialism, so I'll add another field to my search for that. Because I don't know which form of the word will be used in any article, for instance, I already saw that one with colonization in the title, I'm going to truncate the word down to just C-O-L-O-N-I with an asterisk on the end. This way, my options are open to colonist, colonial, and any form of the word. I have 230 results now, and these top three look like they would all be helpful to my paper. I'll go to the first one here from Children's Literature Association Quarterly. Looking briefly through the text, I saw that it does mention how colonialism was inescapable for Frances Hodgkin Burnett. That's an interesting thing to consider for my paper. I'll save it to my library. Now, I can be sure that these sources are reliable because part of the basic criteria for journals on Project MUSE is that they all must be peer-reviewed. This means that the texts were all evaluated by people working within the same fields as the author. They are qualified to review the writing because they have similar competencies and are familiar with the subjects. If I do end up using this as a source and need to cite it for my paper, I can click View Citation to the left of the save, to the right of the save, my mistake, and choose the right format, copy it, and use it later. Let me show you my MUSE library. Clicking on my MUSE library, I see both sources that I saved previously come back up. I hope this helps the next time you're looking to write a research paper and need some reliable sources to find.